Top 5 Best Air Fryer Oven. Best Smarter Picks for Smarter Kitchens. Number 5. Cuisinart 𝗕𝗂𝗱𝗴𝗲𝗏 NAS 8-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Crispy fries without the guilt? This Cuisinart 8-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven delivers golden perfection using up to 75% less oil. No deep fryer needed. Ideal for busy families, health-conscious cooks, or anyone craving restaurant-quality results at home. With 1,800 watts of power and 0.6 cubic feet of space, it air fries, convection bakes, broils, toasts, and even keeps food warm, all in one sleek stainless steel unit. Unlike bulky countertop ovens, the 𝗕𝗂𝗱𝗴𝗲𝗏 NAS fits seamlessly into modern kitchens while outperforming single-function appliances. Its intuitive 60-minute timer and precise temperature control ensure consistent results every time. You'll love how it simplifies weeknight dinners and weekend snacks alike. Crispy chicken, roasted veggies, even reheated pizza tastes freshly made. Just note, larger baking sheets won't fit, and preheating takes a few extra minutes compared to full-size ovens. But for speed, versatility, and flavor? This machine transforms how you cook, without the clutter or compromise. Number 4. Breville BOV900 BSS Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. Crispy, golden fries without a drop of oil? That's not magic, it's the Breville BOV900 BSS Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. Designed for home chefs who demand versatility, this brushed stainless steel powerhouse replaces 6 appliances with precision convection, air frying, and 13 smart presets. Unlike bulky countertop rivals, its Element IQ system dynamically adjusts heat for flawless roasting, baking, or reheating, no guesswork. The extra-wide interior fits a 14-pound turkey or 9 slices of toast, while the intuitive LCD display simplifies every function. Whether you're meal prepping, hosting dinner parties, or just craving guilt-free wings, it delivers restaurant-quality results with minimal effort. Sure, it commands counter space, and the learning curve rewards patience, but once you master its rhythm, ordinary ovens feel obsolete. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a kitchen revolution. Number 3. Emeril Lagasse 26QD Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven. This isn't just another kitchen gadget, it's your all-in-one culinary command center. Meet the Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo, built for serious home chefs and busy families who refuse to compromise on flavor or convenience. With 24 cooking functions and intuitive digital controls, it air fries, bakes, roasts, dehydrates, and more, outperforming single-purpose appliances cluttering your counter. The spacious 26-quart capacity fits a whole chicken or 18-inch pizza, while the sleek stainless steel finish elevates any kitchen aesthetic. 7 premium accessories come included, from racks to pans, so you're ready to cook right out of the box. Crispy fries without oil? Check. Golden casseroles in half the time? Absolutely. It's fast, versatile, and built to last. Just note, its generous size means it needs ample counter space. But for those who demand performance, precision, and professional results at home, this powerhouse delivers every time. Number 2. Ninja SP151 Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. Crispy fries, golden toast, and juicy roasts, all from one sleek countertop marvel. The Ninja Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo SP151 isn't just versatile, it's a kitchen revolution. Perfect for busy families, meal preppers, or anyone craving restaurant-quality results without the mess. With 8-in-1 functionality, air fry, bake, broil, toast, and more, it outperforms bulky single-use appliances. Its 1800-watt power delivers faster, even cooking, while the flip-up design tucks away effortlessly, freeing precious counter space. Included accessories: air fry basket, sheet pan, wire rack, and removable crumb tray make cleanup a breeze. Crafted in stainless steel, it's as durable as it is stylish. You'll love how it simplifies weeknight dinners and weekend feasts alike. One note, its generous capacity means it needs a bit of room when open, ideal for kitchens with moderate space. Upgrade your cooking game. The Ninja SP151 doesn't just save time, it transforms how you eat, cook, and live. Number 1. CHEFMAN Digital Air Fryer Oven with 17 presets. This isn't just another air fryer, it's your kitchen's command center. With 17 smart presets, The CHEFMAN multifunctional digital air fryer transforms how you cook, from crispy fries to juicy rotisserie chicken, all with minimal oil. Perfect for busy families or meal prepping pros, its XL10L capacity handles big batches effortlessly. Unlike single-function fryers, it also dehydrates fruits, bakes cookies, and roasts veggies, all controlled via an intuitive touchscreen. The large EasyView window means no more guessing, and auto shutoff ensures safety without sacrificing flavor. While it's compact enough for most countertops, its power demands a dedicated space, worth it for the versatility. From weeknight dinners to healthy snacks, this sleek black powerhouse delivers restaurant-quality results at home. Say goodbye to cluttered appliances and hello to smarter, faster, tastier cooking, one touch at a time. Thanks for watching Best Air Fryer Oven. See the description for links, details, and the best prices.